Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded bearish for the day, where US100 has achieved 15,730 levels and US30 has gone below 35,100. Now, what to expect from Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones with the US session and with the data coming in? We will see with the help of charts and indicators how we can make profit. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the day. First update I released with the Asia and Europe session. Thus press the bell icon as well. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed by Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. First of all, the drop here, retracement, higher lows, double bottom, or you can say 4 to 5 candles getting the support here at 15,730, 740 zone. And with that as support, we can see this candle which is in green, it is also creating lower lows, lower highs, and yes, there is a reversal sign as well. Second observation here is the divergence of the price from the moving average, which is right now sitting at around 15,800. So now what we can make out of here is, see, higher lows, lower highs. It has to come out of this zone. It has to stay above 15,800 and 850 levels in order to confirm a reversal. That is very clear. Right now it is taking the support from 15,730. Thus, if you see it is staying below 15,720, you can initiate a selling position. Be alert of 15,700, and once 15,700 is taken, a massive drop is definitely there waiting for Nasdaq 100, where you can look forward to 15,650 and 600 levels as the first target, and then in fact I will wait for 15,500. Stochastic looking down, MACD is again bearish. It is almost at bottom. On the hourly charts, it has created a wave. It is trying to converge crossover, but it is still not showing much of RSI at bottom, trying to reverse. Coming to 2, look at 2-hour charts, see consistent lower highs here. This is a flat line which is seen here, which suggests that there is a resistance here at 15,780, 15,800 zone, and then 840. Very strong resistance here. Flat bottom suggests that there is a greater support here. It has to trade below these levels in order to confirm further top. That is very clear. Stochastic is at bottom, trying to reverse, trying to rise. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit and crossover for a buying position. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, look at 3-hour charts. See, lower highs are done, and if it breaks below this zone and then 15,700, remember, do not buy, do not think of buying Nasdaq 100 below 15,700 levels. Yes, those who are thinking that it has come to oversold levels, it has been dropping since long. Remember, when it was rising, nobody has asked a question that why it is rising consistently, and it consistently gave stronger bullish candles. Now, while it is falling, it can continue to fall here. It can continue to create lower lows, where 15,600 levels could be the support levels, first support levels, and 15,500 levels could be the second one. Stochastic again at bottom, MACD is still divergent and bearish. It has further scope for it to continue on the downside. See, it is coming from here at plus 150, and it is right now at minus 50. It can achieve the bottom before bouncing back. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. Just wait for it to break below 15,730, 720 zone, and then 700. Once these two are taken, we are not going to look forward to a reversal in Tech 100. It may continue to fall here, but right now, if you notice, if what it has done, it is, see this candle here. First of all, there was a push from the upside on the preceding candle, and we can see it is turned red. It is closed at bottom. Now with that as support, again it is trying to reverse a bit, but what it is trying to do, it has created lower highs. Now creating lower highs, we can see a reversal from here where the prices may fall, and then a red candle of this size can be expected. When I say this size, it means it is almost of 100 points. Yes, so 100 points from here will take it till towards 15,640, 650, and then further lows can be expected. Stochastic here at bottom, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, it is still looking downwards. RSI. Coming to the daily charts, and before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit And do not miss to visit my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you get the details related to all of my services, along with the economic calendar where you get the data releases. The live charts of all the instruments are also available there. Also, you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your existing positions, or you want me to make a future prediction. Yes, there is a community as well, so reach out to me or visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for more details on my services. And yes, join my free Telegram channel as well. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily chart, see, first of all, a stronger wall is created here. After that, this was the first fall, and today could be a bigger fall here. Today could be a bigger fall here in making. We have to be careful. 16,000 is now the wall on the upside. It has to stay above 16,000 in order to confirm a rise. As long as 16,000 levels are respected, we are not going to treat Nasdaq 100 as bullish. It can continue to fall for a little while from now. Certainly yesterday was a bigger candle. It is almost greater than half the size. So today can be a further bigger candle. We can move towards 15,600. So yes, once you see it is staying below 15,730, 720 zone, stay short. Just watch out at 15,700. Then it will try to lend directly towards 15,640, 650 as the first target, 15,600 as the next. And then I will be looking forward to this zone specifically, where 500 should be the next support. Now see what it is trying to do. You can see the slope of the rise here, and this is a vertical fall, so this could take it deep. Be careful here with the buying positions. Only buying entry today I will recommend is 15,800 levels. If you see the price is staying above 15,800, we can buy, but then also we have to be careful. Even if you can buy here at 780, but then 800, 820, 840, 860, 900, very strong resistance in between 900 levels and 780 levels. Just 20 points trailing stop loss you have. Reversal confirmation, if you see it is staying above 15,900, yes, more rise can be expected, where 15,950, 60 or 16,000 levels can get achieved, but still it will reverse. It will try to trade bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see, US30 is the one which is showing resilience so far. After this rise, it is still forming this flag here. The bottom of this is below the 36,000 levels. Second observation here is 36,250 certainly is a greater resistance. Only bullishness is confirmed if you see the price is staying above 36,250 levels. In fact, even if you see today, price is staying above 36,200. Possibly we can take a buying entry there, but again, this is going to be riskier. There is a lot much of downside available. And yes, specifically on the downside, 36,000, 35,900 is the first support zone, below which you can definitely say a couple of more 100 points can be expected on the downside. Stochastic certainly has come to oversold levels. MACD is bearish. RSI is also dropped a bit. Coming to look at the 2-hour chart. See, first, see, this is increasing bearishness. You can see after this reversal, one greener candle, then a massive reversal candle. Now it is trying to again reverse, but if it breaks below 36,050 levels, you can initiate a selling position. Expect it to drop below 36,000, and then 35,950, 900 as well are the next targets. The stochastic here at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, after the reversal, first red candle, this could be the second red candle, but what I'm seeing here on the 3-hour charts is the support from the 20-period moving average. It has to break below this zone. It has to break below 36,080, 36,050 zone in order to confirm the reversal, below which you can certainly expect more bearishness to prevail. Else what is happening? It is taking the support from the 20-period moving average and trying to consolidate within the zone here. On the upside, 36,200, 36,250 is the zone where we have maximum resistance. Only and only reversal confirmation, only and only bullish confirmation if you see US30 staying above 36,200, 250 zone. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, now see, on the 4-hour charts, look at the preceding candle. What was the preceding candle? Preceding candle was with a bigger wick and a smaller body. It is closed in red. This suggested that there is bearishness. Prices are not willing to stay bullish. Lower highs are created here. Now what has happened since then? After creating the lows, it is trying to rise. Possibly even if it tries to retrace on the upside, lower highs might get created, which means 36,150, 180 should be the greater resistance here. Achieving those levels also, prices might reverse and then we can expect a drop. Be careful here. Yes, it is trying to rise or consolidate within the zone. However, the bullishness is certainly seen to be diminishing. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See lower highs, which means even if it tries to fly, 36 200 250 is again going to be the resistance here. And once it stays beyond 36 250 is where we can say that it is trying to reverse, and we are looking forward to a massive rise where one can in fact look at 36 400. But whether it can rally or it is going to drop, if you notice this on the downside, see, even if it has to rise, first of all, the preceding candle was a red candle but with a very smaller body here. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay on the downside. At the same time, today it is started on the bearish note. It can try to create higher lows, which means 36050 should be a greater support here. Only below 36,000 we can see a further bearish move, which can in fact this time take the prices sharply on the downside. Now see, the divergence of the price from the moving average is too much. It has to break. It is just holding it up for a while. How long it can hold, that is the question. But right now it is showing little bearishness compared to what we have seen in Tech 100. And yes, 36,000 for 35,900 levels is the level it needs to break, and then we can see the drop there. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is also at the top here. RSI is also extremely overbought. Thus, I expect this candle to at least remain in red. Even if it is trying to consolidate, I do not see it breaking beyond 36 250. And if it does, then be careful as long as 36 300 is there. Beyond 36 300, it is going to give you another 100 points. It may take it till towards 36 400. See, these are markets. It can continue to stress the rally for a while such that everybody closes the sell position and then it will take in the downside. Be careful. And yes, buy at around 36 200 levels only, but then 200 250 very very strong resistance there, then 300 the next, and beyond 300 sky is the limit. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 36080, but then be careful for 36050 or 040 is the first target, 36,000 is the next, then 35,950, and then 35,900. In fact, it can drop below 35,900 as well. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join my signals channel. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me. Thank you very much.